Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you update your iPhone to iOS 14 and you can't turn on your iPhone, so it's not turning on, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, the first thing you need to check is to check your battery percent. So maybe your iPhone just need to be charged, so just connect to cable and try to charge your iPhone first thing. And if it doesn't help you, so if you only see black screen, so just try to press low volume and power button for about 10 seconds, so until you will see here Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons until you will see Apple logo. So it means that you might force restart on your phone, so just keep holding these two buttons. And here you can see that we successfully made force restart. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press on your model of iPhone and how you can make force restart. So this is the first thing you need to try. And also another way, just connect to iTunes and try to restore your iPhone from iTunes to previous iOS, or just restore your iPhone from backup. So just try this, just connect to computer and just try to restore your iPhone. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.